This is a new thing for me. Hello my friends and welcome back. Today I'm trying something new and I'm excited to try it. And you're probably like, Megan, why do you have all-purpose caulk on your desk? Well, my friend, that is where I need you to be patient because I'm going to explain this as best as I possibly can. This is a window cling, and as you can see, it's textured, and my lights are not doing it justice because it has, I guess you can kind of see it, it has a rainbow sheen to it. I had seen quite a few resin crafters use this particular window cling, window dressing, whatever you want to call it, and they make their own coaster molds or whatever with caulk, and then they pour the resin into that area and it comes out with this texture on it so that when you look at it, it's got that holographic rainbow shine to it. There you go. Now we can kind of see it. So that's what I'm going to be trying here today. I don't want to do coasters because when do you actually pick up a coaster and do this in the light with it? Makes no sense to me. But I decided that I wanted to try a window hanging, sort of like a what do you call those things? Those pretty things that you hang in the windows and they shine and all that stuff. I will insert said word here in, 2 days when I'm editing this and can remember the word. Anyway, that's what I'm going to be doing with this. So the first thing that I want to do is actually cut out a length of this. So I'm just going to cut off some of this. A lot comes on the roll, and this stuff is really inexpensive. I want to say it was $8 for the roll. And once I'm done cutting this, I'll hold up the end of the roll so you guys can see just how much comes onto it. So focus, camera, focus. Come on, you can do it. We can do it. There we go. So yeah, it's quite a thick roll. And it's very pretty. Alright. And this stuff is reusable too, because this is a textured. It's not transferring any color or anything onto the resin. What it's doing is transferring the patterning that's on this to the resin. Alright. So the next thing that I want to do is figure out what shape I want for this. I was actually thinking a star, but I'm not very good at drawing stars, so we might just go with like a general oval shape. And I have this, it's called all-purpose caulk. It's kind of dirty. It's been in my hoard for a while. So my only concern with this is that it's not pure silicone. It's a siliconized acrylic caulk, but per my 2 minutes of Googling, resin does not stick to acrylic or silicone. So hopefully it works out. I'm going to pour this on or draw this on, set this aside for 24 hours to let it cure fully. Then we are going to come back to it and add our resin. All right, my friends, this is all nice and dry, and it feels like it's good and attached, so that's good. I had thought about laying some hot glue down just to make sure that it doesn't leak, so I might end up doing that, but I'm letting my resin warm up right now, and I will get that all mixed up. If I decide to do hot glue, then I will just do that. You don't have to watch me do that. And we'll get it poured. All right, hang tight. Alright guys, it's all nice and cured. Kind of nervous. Oh, that's cool. So it does come off. I had some splashes, you can't even see that, over here. And so it does come off. Okay, let's try this. Oh, does the hot glue come off? I don't think the hot glue comes off, guys. Oh no. I mean, which is fine, because it's only on the other side of this. Just trying to... Can I not get in here? Congratulations, folks, you have won a video of watching me struggle yet again. How am I gonna do this? Ah. Don't think that's gonna work. You guys might not actually see this video. Okay. Just a second. Alright, I got it off of the paper. Now let's see if I can get this silicone off of the resin. Okay, so lesson learned. This acrylic silicone that I used is not good for working with resin, which is fine. That's why it's called a test, an experiment. It's also like partially uncured. Oh, what a mess. So I think what I might do is take my straight blade just around the edges, try and clean this up as much as possible, and then I'll come back to you guys. You don't have to watch me struggle anymore. You won the lottery. Alright guys, this is as good as I could get it cleaned up, which isn't great. So this was a fail, but it's okay, as long as we're learning and growing as we fail. So this is, you're looking at the front. This is the side that was attached. So, and it doesn't, let me bring this in. It doesn't come off of here. The, what do you call it? That thing. Texture, that's the word, texture. The texture doesn't come off. This is well, I won't probably reuse this circle right here because that was a hot mess. But this is reusable. And it just imprints the texture onto the resin. And it's supposed to have, obviously I have, you know, 2 lights going on right now. Actually, let me turn one of them off. Let's see. Let's turn that one off. See if that helps. Not really. Okay. Supposed to have rainbow qualities, which I can see at my eye level. I can see the rainbows. And I guess, there we go. Yeah, there we go. You guys can see it now too. So that's what I was going for. Obviously this one was a fail. Also, it's really bubbly, and that's my fault as well because I wasn't here like paying attention to it as much because I was working on another project. But I think it would really look pretty in a window, you know. So anyway, this was a fail, but I'm gonna let you guys see it because I'm giving like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, all the good things. Take care.